Hello treasures, welcome to today's video where I'll be making this pineapple and a coconut drink, which can also be called non-alcoholic pina colada. Here I have a pineapple juice with ginger and lime. That is pineapple, ginger and lime juice. A cup of that. And here I have coconut milk and some frozen pineapples. I have about a cup and a half there. I'll go ahead, add everything into the blender and blend. It's very simple. I'll start by adding the pineapple juice. I'll cover and blend this first before adding the rest of the milk. And here we have our drink. I'll just garnish it with a slice of lime and the pineapple. You can also add it some ice cubes to enjoy it more. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.